In today's video, I'm going to share with you a pretty unique way to make money on YouTube. And look, this is not going to be about affiliate marketing, merch, sponsored posts, or Google ads or anything like that. We're going to take a traditional method with a bit of a unique twist on it, because I think this is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. So, what is the method? Well, first of all, let me share with you some earnings from this method. So if I come over here, this is on a platform called Skillshare, and you can see I've currently earned up to, coming up to $2,400. That's one platform. We have another platform here. You can see today alone, I've earned nearly $500, and that's just two examples. Now, that isn't to show, that I'm a big head. I'm just showing you that to prove that, this method actually works. Now, on the screen, you can see I've got lots more articles for making money on YouTube. There's links to all of these articles below. If you want to check them out, then feel free. So, what is the method and how can we make money on YouTube? So, you may have watched videos in the past where people are talking about online courses. And don't worry, you don't have to do this. You don't have to create courses yourself. I'm going to share with you, this is the twist. This is the twist. I'm going to share with you a cool little twist. So, we can use this method on platforms like Skillshare. We can also use this platforms on Udemy and many more. And I do it on Skillshare, Udemy, ClickFunnels, BitDegree. There's hundreds of them. So, what is the method? Okay, so let's come over here. Let's go to Udemy, and I'm not going to go into my instructor's account. I'm just going to go to udemy.com. Let me search for I don't know what's going on here. Let me try that again. Let's get rid of that. Let's just type in Udemy. I don't know why it's done that. Udemy. Okay, so we're going to go over here. Now, many of you will, obviously want to make money with your YouTube channels, but the idea of, creating a course yourself, is very off-putting. Even though you can use platforms like this one over here, this Skillshare, on here you can upload courses which are 30 minutes and you can be earning a passive income. But, if you don't want to create, courses or mini courses yourself, what we're going to look at today, it will allow you, basically, we spend a little bit of money and then you can take that content, okay? So if I come over on here, over onto Udemy. Now, over on YouTube, we all know that YouTube Shorts is blowing up. So let me just type in here, look, YouTube Shorts. Let me type it in again with, proper English, YouTube Shorts. And we are going to scroll down. So currently there's 3,000 results for this search term, but don't worry about the search term because this method works in any category. So if I scroll down here, this doesn't mention YouTube Shorts, nor does this, nor does this. Basically, all of these courses here, they're years old. They just come into Udemy and change the title to 2022. Next year it'll be 2023. So you can see on here, we've got no specific courses for YouTube Shorts. And it's the same over on Skillshare and a number of platforms. So this, what do we do? Well, did you know there's a search term, not a search term, there's an item called PLR, which basically means private label rights. So let me share this with you now. So you see this over here, it's called the YouTube Shorts Excellence. And basically, this is a product that you can go ahead and purchase yourself. And what do you get inside of this? Well, you get a guide, you get videos, you get PDFs, cheat sheets, and lots more. It's basically a complete course, all being done for you, and then you can buy this, you can then download those videos, you can then make simple edits to them, you can add on your own outro, etc. And you can upload this onto platforms like Skillshare over here. You can host it yourself on ClickFunnels, you can upload it onto Udemy, and many more platforms. But basically, this is just one example of this using PLR, and that stands for private label rights. And you can see on here, it tells you all about what you're going to be getting included in this product if you was to buy this, okay? So we buy it, we get all of the information, you can see on here everything that's included, and then we can download this and upload it onto platforms like these here. The other thing you can actually do is, if I scroll back up here, so a step-by-step guide on how to create YouTube Shorts. So inside of here, there's a PDF with, I think it's got like 72 pages. Well, guess what? You can download that and then you can sell that on additional websites. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? And we can see on the page, more information about this. But this is just one example for you, whereby you can buy a product in PLR and then you can upload it to different sites. You can upload it to ebooks and ebook websites and many more. I mean, a simple example is you could buy a PLR product and you could go over to a website like Gumroad as an example. Come over here and look, you can see on here, sell what you know and see what sticks. So you can come on here, go over onto Gumroad and, you know, buy a PLR product and put it on here for sale. And genuinely, people are doing this. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this can work in any category, in any niche. You know, whether you're teaching people how to, you know, I don't know, whether you're teaching people how to create, you know, create drawings or do art or book. I'm just reading off the screen here, books and writing, anything really. It doesn't really matter. And you can come on these websites and, you know, see what other people are listing on here. And then you can go ahead and put the, you know, PLR content up on here, but do make edits to this. Now, let me share with you some examples. So I've gone here and I've typed in PLR brandable course here, okay? So this is it, it's a brandable course, so premium white label brandable PLR coaching courses. So all you need is a little bit of money for this, and you can buy it, you can upload it onto a number of websites, and you can be earning money from day one in any category or any niche. So let's just scroll down here. So look, 60 PLR blog posts done for you blog posts. So, you know, if you're in the blogging niche, well, this could be an option for you. If we scroll further on the page here, pregnancy diet secrets. You know, if you're running a mum channel or something similar, this could be an option for you. Same, and you can go through these websites. There's hundreds of these. As you can see over here on the right hand side, look, PLR niches. Let me get rid of that. All of these here. So you can go ahead and find something like this and start earning a genuine passive income from this. You can also, you know, actually put in the work yourself and create a short course or create an ebook. Or these are all examples of, you know, different things, ebooks, audio articles, and other bits if you wanted to. But, you know, if you're a little bit short on time or you don't want to go down that route and you're prepared to spend a little bit of cash, you can go online and find hundreds of PLR products that you simply buy one time, and then once you've got that product, you can then go ahead and, you know, sell it. You can, there's lots of things that you can do with it. If you go into any of these, let me go into this pregnancy diet secrets. It tells you inside, you know, everything, what you get with the product, and also what you can do and what you can't do. So look, how would you like to get access to your own top quality private label rights sales funnel, focusing on one of the hottest and most popular topics in the market today? So scroll down here, it tells you about the product. Look, so this is $37, and then you go through, it will show you everything that's included in here. So the modules, come further on the page, etc. So you get all of this, and you get banners to promote it. They also give you emails. You can get given, as you can see on here, mini websites with videos on here, legal pages, graphics that you can use. What is that? PDF graphics. Come further on the page, and articles. So, you know, there's lots of stuff done here for you. So it's essentially a little business in a box. And if you go down to the bottom of these, it tells you what you can do and what you can't do with this, you know, piece of PLR that you're buying. So, blimey, you get a lot in this one, don't you? Look here, what you can do. So look, you can also create ebooks, multiple ebooks out of this. You can split the content, you can sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profit. So, you know, if you're in a certain niche, you can buy a PLR product, you can put a link in your YouTube description to this, and you can, you know, you can essentially get your money back by selling one of these. You can bundle it, and then scroll down here, look at what you cannot do. So you cannot give away private label rights. You may not sell or give away resale rights. Basically, as you can see here, what's it say here? It must be sold for at least $7. So basically, any product that you're looking at, it will always tell you at the bottom of the listing what you can do with this and what you can't do. But, you know, I think you'll agree. We all know that creating an online course or a digital product ourselves, it works really well. Many of us, you know, some people don't have the time. Some people, you know, think that they wouldn't be able to create one themselves. Probably, you know, when you actually could do. But this is an option for you. And it's pretty straightforward and simple. You buy it, you download it, you get access to everything that's shown on the sales page here. We know what we can do with this, and we know what we can't do. So, one piece of PLR, it can earn you a passive income if you was to upload it onto websites like Skillshare, like Udemy. You can then go and sell ebooks and PDFs over on websites like Gumroad and many more. And, it's just, personally, I think it's just an awesome way to make money on YouTube from an audience or a niche where you're already creating content. So let me know in the comments down below, do you think this is a good method? Have you tried this yourself, tested it? I'd be really interested to know. But look, that is today's video. I will drop a link below to these articles over here. There's lots more on here for making money on YouTube, getting views and other bits. So yeah, thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.